This stock guys ha. 3. This stock. 3 or 4. You see? This is the young soup guys ha. And then I put now all seafood. See guys, all seafood ha. All seafood I put, yes. Boiling, and you see guys, my tom yum soup is ready. Only waiting the boiling water guys. Only waiting boiling water. You see guys, the tom yum soup. Wait mo, white pepper guys ha. See guys. Oh. I waiting boiling guys ha. And then finish the tom yum soup. You see guys. Hey, papi po tada. You see guys. Oh, the tom yum soup guys. Yan guys now ha. Already boiling ha guys. Right this now ha. Oh, perfect guys, perfect. Guys, perfect ha. Guys, na ilalagay ko itong lemon juice. Yan guys, lemon juice ha guys ha. Yan, may lemon juice na siya guys ha. Yan na, finish ng ating tom yum soup guys. You see? Oh. Guys, finish the tom yum soup guys ha. Yung guys, ready na ha. Ano na siya. Dalawa siya sa isang lagayan, and then I make one order how to give customer. I make one order guys ha. Only like this guys. First my muscle. Oh, guys, ha? This is one order guys. Put one muscle like this. Yeah guys. Guys, this is the one order. One order like this guys. Mushroom. Ano yung isang order ko guys? Then guys, ready na yung aking isang order na tom yum soup guys. Ganyan lang siya guys. Tom yum soup ready. Yan guys. This is tom yum soup. Oh, number 1.